very warm welcome to all the dignitaries present here and all the lovely students and the brand ambassador of the school, the parents. As we proceed towards the annual function, the grand celebration of annual cultural program, annual celebration day with Curse, and the 11th annual day that is, and the CBC affiliation celebration day with Curse 25-26. I, Dr. Amit KS, standing in front of all of you to present the annual report 25-26. At this exciting moment of the day, I welcome to you all on 11th annual CBC affiliation celebration day and Curse, that is called Curse 25-26. Again, I welcome the Managing Director, the Secretary of St. Xavier's High School, respected trustee members, all delegates, both teaching and non-teaching staff members, all our invited guests, members of electronics and print media, dear parents, and my dearest students, the dear blooming buds of this institution. It is my proud privilege to read out the annual report 25-26 for St. Xavier's High School. St. Xavier's High School, Chandia Birinchipur, Marigaon, has been managed by a team of visionaries of the Narendranath Charitable Trust with a mission to spread the motto of the school, education for humanity. The Department of Education, Government of Odisha has recognized St. Xavier's High School, Chandia Birinchipur, Marigaon for a period of 5 years, up to 2nd January 2028. The recognition, wide recognition number of our school is DEO 005-2023. This year marked a significant milestone in the history of our school. The school received the NOC from the Directorate of Secondary Education 3rd 2005. We are granted CBC affiliation on 19th November 2025 up to Standard 10. This recognition is a proud achievement for the school and a testament to the hard work and dedication of the management, staff and students. This school itself is a milestone for spreading quality education through English medium and educating the future offspring of rural area to crown them as the worthy citizens to face the challenges boldly towards the miracle of victory day by day. Dear parents, the school, I am like to enlighten something about the school. The school also accomplishes objectives and value made under the Education for All and Right to Education Act. At present, around 327 students and 25 numbers of well-trained and holistic dedicated teaching staff with 3 number of non-teaching staff members and 5 caretakers are entrusted round the clock for unfolding the full potential of the students and developing the school as a whole. Let me talk about the academic achievement of the school. It is worth mentioning that some of the students have made our institution proud with their remarkable accomplishment in the field of medical science and engineering. They have successfully secured admissions in the prestigious medical colleges and National Institute of Engineering and Technology, so-called NIT, setting new benchmarks for excellence and new hard work. Their parents, their dedication, resilience, and unwavering commitment to their goals have not only brought laurels to themselves, but also elevated the reputation of our school. Let me enlighten of our successful alumni. Priyabrata Mishra, Mahesh Guri, Jayanath Sankaran Malik, Divya Jyoti Patra, Preeti Payal Raut, Shaumya Ranjan Jaina, Abhismita Devata, all medical students. Manish Panigrai from NIT Rourkela, and many of our ex-students have achieved their pinnacle of glory in their individual life. These are a few examples which I presented in front of you. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to all those achievers and their families. May their journey inspire other students to aim high and turn dream into reality. Our 2025 batch stands out not only for their academic brilliance, but also for their dedication, leadership, quality, and innovative thinking. This year also have been remarkable in years of academic performance. Previous year, our students of grade 10 board examinations result was 110%, maintaining the strong academic tradition of the school. And out of those students, 2 students secured above 90%. Shreyas Kar got 94.6% and Bhagyashi Jaina, Miss Bhagyashi Jaina got 93.2%. It's a really great achievement that 2 students have secured more than 90%. To ensure the continuous learning and improvement, we conduct 3 periodic assessment exams throughout the year and considered best of the 2 evaluation along with term 1 and term 2 examinations. This system must help strengthen regular study habit and reduce exam stress among the students. Ladies and gentlemen, and all my lovely parents and lovely students, so-called the brand ambassador of the school, I'd like to now enlighten all about the houses and clubs of our school to develop competitive spirit among the students. Every year, I repeat, every year, various co-career activities are conducted by our school and performed by the students of all classes. In order to do this, all the students are divided into 5 groups like kid groups, sub-junior, junior, sub-senior and senior, and 4 houses such as Kabut House, Newton House, Curie House and Nesla House. With the active supervision of club in charge of the Eco Club, the Health and Wellness Club, the Heritage Club and the Integrity Club, the students help to create awareness among the people of different sectors to develop community services in the society. Dear parents, I'd like to now enlighten about the inter-class competition. During the academic 2025-2026 year, to develop the students' innovative creativity and to prove this excellence in co-curricular activities, many of the inter-school competitions like diya making, rangoli, debate, drawing, song, handwriting, Ramadan arithmetic test, essay writing, paragraph writing, etc., are keep on organizing, and these are done by the students of all the classes, be it be standard 1 or be it be standard 9. Even of pre-primary school kids keep on taking participation in the various inter-class competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, our school not only does the house club activities and inter-school competition, but also believe in observation and celebration. Every year, Independence Day, Republic Day are observed with great enthusiasm by the students and the teachers as well. Besides Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and Ganesh Puja, Saraswati Puja, Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti, Shastri Jayanti, Netaji, Veer Surendra Rai Jayanti, and many more countless activities are celebrated with active participation of our loving students and teachers at school. Dear parents, so-called our brand ambassador, now I'd like to enlighten something about our annual picnic cum excursion. School also believe in organizing the annual and picnic cum excursion this year to entertain our students as well as acquiring the historical knowledge and geographical structure of the places. The annual picnic cum excursions were organized by the school in 3 phases to the different places. For example, for instances, we have a place of Chakri Tirtha for pre-primary classes, Vyas Sarovar, Ashok Vihar, Waterfall, Jajpur for primary classes, Imami Jagannath Temple visit, Radha Krishna Temple visit, Chandipur Sea Beach visit, Baleswar for secondary classes. These are the small annual picnic excursion visit by the students of various categories. Now, I like to enlighten something about the annual athlete meet. I understand the list are going on, but please have patience. Let us understand how the school keep on focusing on our day-to-day activity. The school, we have availed a loan of 2 crores from the DCB Bank, but in this month of June and July, for the construction of building of our school, as you can see, for which we are paying a lot of installments, approx about 2,21,430 per month for a span of 15 years. And this we are doing only for a quality education, so that the school in this area can get a quality education. It also includes our building has 6,000 square foot area, and which is constructed newly and which strengthen the academic facilities. It includes well-equipped library, which we have constructed this year. It includes the science lab, maths lab, computer lab. The library has now more than 2,000 books. The computer lab consists of 20 computers with 1 smart board enabling digital and activity-based learning for the kids. These developments reflect our commitment to provide the quality education with modern resources. All we need is your support, your guidance, and your consistent and belief and trust in our institution. Now, I'd like to talk about a few things. It's all about the smart classes. We have equipped a few smart classes in a different grades in our school, and these are conducted at Swami Vivekananda Hall. It has been shifted, it has been equipped at the Swami Vivekananda Hall, and this is a hall that was constructed at the cost of 15 lakhs in 2023. And this all investment is only for the quality education which we wanted to provide in this area, so that student can inculcate a value education in this remote belt. Our school also offers the hostel facilities as well as the day boarding to both boys and girls from standard 1 onwards with affordable charges. Regular music and regular dance classes are also provided to the students. The school also have EPF facilities to the employees for their future benefit. There are noble deeds of the school. So ladies and gentlemen, I like to enlighten about our noble deeds of the school. The management of the school along with the staff members are motivated with the philanthropic activities to serve down the children of the society. The first and the most important activity is the blood donation camp. Vice Principal Mr. Golak Pyar Saw, dedicated teaching staff members, all the support staff members, lovely students and the parents, all the supportive parents and brand ambassador of our school, my lovely students, media person who are available here, the management for sparing their valuable moment to listen my presentation on the annual report 25-26 of our school. That's all I like to take. It was a long speech. I know many of you might have been bored. So I like to say one thing. On behalf of entire school fraternity, let's be united together, let's stand together so that we can take up a charge to provide a value education in this area through this school. Thank you so much. God bless. Jai Jagannath.